How to dramatically increase your ROI. In simple words, return on investment, ROI, consists of a financial metric that evaluates how much money was earned on a business investment or as a percentage of the original cost. Applied to email marketing, here are some ideas to use it to increase ROI. Grow your email list. Use sign-up forms on your websites to gather new subscribers. Make them an offer they can't refuse. Don't ask for much personal information. Insert forms on your social media sites and optimize your landing page forms are all ways to use email marketing to generate leads. Segment your list. When you segment your email list, you can speak more directly with each of your subscribers to give them what they want to receive, and in that process make them buyers. There are some effective ways to segment your email list in addition to geography, demographics, and behavioral data. You can use segmentation based on subscriber engagement to identify your most active subscribers and focus on them. Segmentation by website behavior, segmentation by where customers shop, and segmentation by form abandoners. Keep your list clean. Keeping a clean email list is important for email marketing to maintain your reputation. You should check frequently to see how engaged your subscribers are. If they are not engaged, you could try to reactivate them or remove them from the list, so you'll have a list of just the people who are interested in what you offer. Test email performance and track the results. You can do A/B tests of delivered messages, calls to action, and subject lines to learn how people react. After that, you can see what works best and what your audience will like, make the changes you need, and improve ROI in the process. Make sure everything is mobile friendly. There are a lot of people that use smartphones to read emails. More than 50% of emails in the world are opened on a mobile device, so that's why it's important that your campaigns are optimized for mobile. Your subscribers will delete emails that don't display correctly in their smartphones. Use autoresponders. Email marketing offers you the tools to automate your efforts to make money even while you sleep. One of those tools that will make your work easier are autoresponders. You can schedule campaigns to send emails like purchase and shipping confirmations, sign-up confirmations, birthday emails, newsletters, follow-up messages, and more. Celebrate anniversaries. Take advantage of any special date to send a special email. Celebrate their birthday or their anniversary as a customer and make them a special offer or maybe a discount. This is a big opportunity to increase sales. Be as nice as possible. People like to do business with friends, so become a friend. Personalize messages, call them by name, and establish a friendlier atmosphere. You can also make surveys to gather opinions and preferences and maintain constant contact with them. If you do that, they will trust you and will become buyers. Provide value. If the emails you send provide valuable information to your readers, they will buy what you offer when they are ready. Offer useful content. The content you offer should provide something your readers can use, something that helps them solve a problem. You need to give an incentive to potential subscribers to actually register. Writing results-oriented newsletters and autoresponders. Email marketing is a great tool to have in your online advertising arsenal, and having it automated is the best approach to using it. Newsletters and autoresponder messages are the two ways in which you can automate your email marketing efforts. In this video, you're going to learn how to produce and create them using both conventional and self-hosted email marketing software. Newsletters. Newsletters are informational emails sent by businesses to people subscribed to their mailing lists. These informational emails are used to send people information about promotions, new products, and general updates. Up to 90% of people prefer to be updated about businesses through email. So here are some tips for writing results-oriented newsletters. Use persuasive and creative subject lines. Make your newsletters balanced. Your newsletter content should ideally be 90% informational and 10% promotional. Organize your newsletter content vertically. Include only one call to action in your newsletter. Using a self-hosted email marketing service to create a newsletter. Start in your MailZingo account, click on the Messages tab, and select Newsletter. Click on Create Newsletter. You can either select the inline editor if you want to use templates, or the plain text editor if you want to send text-only newsletters. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the inline editor to create visually stunning newsletters with a few clicks. Start by entering the message name, the subject line, and your from name. Enter your from and reply email addresses below and click Next to select a template to start setting up your newsletter. Click on Next once you're done. In the following section, you'll be able to select whom to send your newsletter to by selecting to include or exclude subscribers from a campaign list. Now, use the sending options and select to either send your newsletter immediately or to schedule it and send it on a later date. Once you are done here, click on Send to deliver it. Using a conventional email marketing service to create a newsletter. In your Aweber dashboard, go to the Messages tab and click on Broadcasts. Your options to create messages here are the drag and drop email builder, which will allow you to use templates to edit your emails, the plain text message editor to create text-only messages, and the HTML editor for advanced users. Let's use the plain text message editor. Start by entering your subject line. Use the Personalize menu to personalize the message and create your message in the text field below. Use the clip icon on the bottom left to insert an attachment if you need to. Click on Save and Exit when you are finished. Now, click on Send options to customize your message by selecting Schedule Broadcast. Use the Who should receive this message and the When should this message be sent options according to how you wish to schedule your newsletter. Leave the default message options checked and you're done. Autoresponders. Autoresponders are emails that are sent to people according to certain criteria. These criteria include new subscribers, website visits, purchases, and so on. Autoresponders are a great way to automate your email marketing efforts, and here are a few killer tips to write results-oriented autoresponders. Include a recognizable sender or a catchy subject line in all your autoresponders. Offer something of real value in all your autoresponders. Include a mix of informational and promotional content in all your autoresponders and focus content on the receiver. Using a self-hosted email marketing service to create autoresponder messages. On your MailZingo dashboard, start by clicking on the Messages tab and select Autoresponder. Then click on Create Autoresponder. You can select to create your autoresponder messages with either the inline or the plain text editor. Let's use the plain text editor to create nice autoresponder messages with a few clicks. Enter your message name, your subject line, and your from name. Choose your from and reply email addresses and click Next to go to the email text editor to write your autoresponder message. You can click Next once you are done. Now, select to whom you'd like to send your autoresponder message from your campaign lists and click Next. Now, use the sending options and select to either send your autoresponder email immediately or to send it on a later date. Once you are done here, click on Set Autoresponder to finish. Using a conventional email marketing service to create autoresponder messages. On your Aweber dashboard, go to the Messages menu and select Legacy Follow-up Series and click on Create a Message. To create an autoresponder series, you can use the drag and drop email builder, the plain text message editor, or the HTML editor. Let's use the plain text message. Enter your subject line. Use the Personalize menu to allow Aweber to use subscriber data to personalize your autoresponder message, and then create your message in the text field below. Click on Save and Exit when you're done. Now your autoresponder message is ready. You'll just need to schedule it. Simple little tricks to doubling your email open rates. One of the most efficient ways to measure how successful an email marketing campaign has been is by taking a look at your email open rates. And it is not just us saying it. Plenty of online marketers agree on this. What are email open rates? Open rates are the number of people that open your emails at any given time for any given email marketing campaign. Great email opening rates is going to lead you to have amazing click-through rates, so it is really important to care about them. In this video, you are going to learn how to use both self-hosted and conventional email marketing services to apply some nice tricks that will help you double your email open rates. Use intriguing subject lines. Email subject lines are among the most important factors determining who opens your emails and who doesn't, and in doubling your email open rates. Subject lines are what will make your subscribers want to open your emails. To make your subject lines enticing, you have to make them intriguing. To make them intriguing, nothing will work better than creating open loops in your subject lines. Open loops are simple pieces of information that do not offer a conclusion and are open to interpretation. They open up an idea, yet they don't offer an immediate solution to it. They just tease it. Email subject lines can be used as open loops because they can be used to tease a bit of information that subscribers can obsess about. For example, something along the lines of, "Congratulations, you are in." MailZingo, our self-hosted email marketing service of choice, gives you an easy way to create open loops. It gives you the option of creating subject lines before you start creating your email's content, no matter what type of email you create. For example, you can just click on the Create Message button in your MailZingo dashboard, select your email editor, and see the fields available. The subject line field is located right below the message name field. Aweber, a conventional email marketing service, offers you a similar approach by allowing you to enter your subject line in the same window you are customizing your message, giving you some freedom just in case you need to modify your subject line later. Personalizing your subject lines. Everybody likes to be treated as an individual, and when you address somebody by their name on an email's subject line, you create a real sense of belonging in your subscribers. This will help you double your open rates. Both MailZingo and Aweber offer you easy options to personalize your subject lines. In MailZingo, simply click on the personalization menu next to the subject line field and select the name value. You can do likewise on Aweber by clicking on the personalize menu in the subject line field and selecting full name. Resending unopened emails. Resending unopened emails is a delicate action because you can end up blacklisted if you do it incorrectly. There is a simple way to do it without risking losing subscribers, and you need to simply change your subject line before resending an email. This is well worth it because if only a third of your subscribers open an email the first time and then another third opens it when you resend it, that means you have doubled your open rate. To learn to whom you should resend your emails using MailZingo, go to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create Campaign. This is a campaign to identify and email non-openers. So name it accordingly and click on Create. Now go to the Subscribers tab and click on Management. In the All Subscribers menu, select Messages, then Newsletter and Autoresponder. Then select an email that you have sent from the corresponding menu. Select Unopened from the menu next to this one and click on Filter to get a list of people that have not opened this email. Tick the email checkbox to select them all. Scroll down and click on Copy. Click below the Select Campaign to display the campaign menu and select the campaign that you just created for people that have not opened your emails. You can now resend unopened emails to these people by going to either Newsletters or Autoresponder. Selecting an email from your Sent Mail archive, changing its subject line, and selecting the unopened campaign on the Include list in the Subscriber section. Send it when you are ready. On Aweber, you simply need to go to the Subscribers tab and click on Manage Subscribers. Click on the Select Field display menu and scroll down to select Message Not Opened. Then, click on the field next to this menu and wait for a window to load. This window will show a list with your email campaigns. Select the one which you would like to resend and click on Search. Below, a list will appear of the subscribers that did not open this particular email. Tick the checkbox on top next to Name. Scroll down to click on Export CSV and save this subscriber list to your computer. Use this list and upload it as your recipient list to resend your email. Use breakup emails. Breakup emails are emails with a notice of termination for inactive subscribers. This can be a suspended account or a termination of service, depending on whom you are sending this notice, and you have to instruct people that said termination can be voided if they take action. To create a breakup email on MailZingo, simply go to the Messages tab on your dashboard and select Autoresponder. Follow the on-screen instructions to send autoresponder messages and create your breakup emails according to whom you are sending this email, preferably by selecting unopened subscribers from your include list. On Aweber, go to the Subscribers tab and click on Manage Subscribers. Click on the Select Field display menu, scroll down and select No Opens. Click on the field next to Since and select a date to trace people who have not opened your emails and are thus inactive. Now click on Search to get a list of inactive subscribers. Tick the checkbox on top next to Name, scroll down to click on Export CSV, and save this subscriber list to your computer. Use this list and upload it as your recipient list to send your breakup email. Skyrocketing your click-through rates like a pro. We previously covered email open rates. We mentioned how important they are to get equally good click-through rates. But what are click-through rates? For those not in the know, click-through rates are the number of times that the content in your emails is clicked on. To put it simply, click-through rates are important because they show you how well your subscribers are interacting with the content in your emails. In this video, we are going to show you some nice tricks to skyrocket your click-through rates. Start by creating emails that are consistent with your brand and your website. Creating emails that are consistent with your brand's theme is not complicated. You simply have to add your logo and the feel of your brand all over your emails. This includes the type of images, the content, and the color scheme that you use. You can achieve this consistency in MailZingo by using the Inline Editor, a visual editor for your messages that will give you a nice degree of freedom to customize your emails, allowing you to add your logos, images, links, and color scheme. Likewise, the drag-and-drop email builder on Aweber will give you a lot of options to customize your emails as you wish, giving you the freedom to choose between designing your own emails or using templates to save time. Don't forget to make your emails responsive. There are many people that prefer to open their emails through their mobile devices. In fact, it has been determined that the percentage of emails opened on desktops is 28%, against a whopping 41% of emails opened on mobile devices. Whatever the case, it is important to keep the design of your emails organized, focused, and responsive. Both MailZingo and Aweber give you an advantage because both are built with responsive emails in mind. You just have to keep your emails uncluttered. Try to insert images in all of your emails. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to include images in some of your emails. It is true that your emails have to be as practical with images as well as without them, but you have to try to include images that make sense in the context of your emails as often as possible. This is because images help conversion rates on opened emails. It has been found that emails with images have a click-through rate 41% higher than emails without them. It is pretty easy to insert images in messages created with both MailZingo and Aweber. On MailZingo, the easiest way to insert images is by using editable templates to create emails. It only takes clicking on the images in your template of choice and using the Media button to upload an image corresponding to your campaign. On the other hand, Aweber allows you to insert images with a simple button when you choose the drag-and-drop email builder. Simply grab the Image tab, drag it to the email field, and click on Click to Edit. Use call-to-action buttons. Call-to-action buttons are very effective bait anywhere on the internet, and they are remarkably effective on promotional emails. Call-to-action buttons are designed to incite people to take action, and they vary on their uses, such as Go to Page or Buy Now. They will work wonders for your email marketing efforts when used correctly. One unbreakable rule when using CTA buttons on emails is that you can only include one CTA button per email to avoid the spam folder. The second unbreakable rule is to use the right placement. Place your CTA buttons on the right side of your content to use the most important focal area in your emails. A nice little trick is to use directional and subtle background cues to make CTA buttons stand out. Examples of this include using a white background for your template and strong, vivid colors for your CTA buttons. One last consideration is to use call-to-action buttons for important links only, and text URLs for less important links. MailZingo allows you to easily adjust the size, color, and background of text on emails, so you can create attention-grabbing call-to-action buttons without much effort when you use templates from the inline editor to create your emails. Aweber also allows you to create really cool CTA buttons when you use the drag-and-drop email builder by grabbing the button tab and dragging it to the email field. You can edit it using the button box that will appear. It's as easy as that.